What if I told you that scrolling through Instagram on your phone isn't your only option anymore? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to get the full Instagram app running on your Windows 11 PC in just a few minutes. Alright, here's how to do it. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type in Microsoft Store. Then, click on Microsoft Store from the search results to open it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, you'll see a search bar at the top of the window. Click on that search bar, type Instagram, and hit Enter. You'll see Instagram appear in the search results. Click on it to open the Instagram app details page. Once you're here, you'll notice a blue Get button. Go ahead and click on it. The Instagram app will now start downloading and installing automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing you how it's going, so just be patient and wait until it's done. When the installation is complete, that Install button will change to say Open. If you want to pin this app to your Start menu for quick access, just click on the Pin to Start button right there. To launch the application, click on the Start button, then find and click on Instagram from your Start menu. Now, if you'd like to add an Instagram shortcut directly to your desktop, click on the three dots at the top of the app window, check the option that appears, and click Allow. The Instagram shortcut will now be added to your desktop for easy access. And there you have it! Instagram is now launched on your Windows PC, and you can log in with your credentials and start using it just like you would on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.